I don't speak English, but I want my message to reach as many people as possible. That's why this voice is synthetic, created with AI, but everything you'll hear is my real story, real experience, real survival. Episode 9, Transport and Fuel. Your vehicle may be your lifeline in an emergency, but only if it's ready. Electric cars. In peacetime, sure. In crisis, absolutely not. Without power, an electric car becomes a stranded shell. Charging stations may not work. And insurance companies typically don't cover damages during armed conflicts. I saw dozens of electric vehicles abandoned on the roadside. The drivers and passengers were walking away. You can imagine what happened to those cars afterward. Diesel vehicles are the most practical choice. Why? Diesel fuel is easier to find. On farms, in military vehicles, in commercial trucks, in abandoned transport. Fuel strategy. Always carry a fuel canister, even if it's empty. It's better than nothing. It gives you the option to refill, trade, or assist others. Figure out your range. How far can you travel on a full tank, plus a canister? Factor in traffic jams and idle time. Even if you don't use it, fuel can be valuable for barter or emergencies. Fuel at gas stations vanished quickly. Lines were long. No electricity meant the pumps didn't work. My personal system, 120-liter metal canister, fuel tank always full. Used the canister first, then refilled it immediately after vehicle condition. Get a full checkup. Tell your mechanic the car may need to cover thousands of kilometers without breaking down. Everything must be solid. What to keep in your vehicle? Spare tire, inner tube if applicable, air compressor, tow strap or rope, basic toolkit, screwdriver, hammer, high visibility vests and spare bulbs, mandatory in many European countries. Double check in advance. Pressure in the spare tire, that the spare isn't rusted if mounted outside, that your wrench fits your wheel bolts. Insurance, international car insurance, green card, is required if you're crossing borders. You can often buy it online or at the border itself. Children in the car print and tape a simple paper sign that reads "Children on board" to both your front and rear windows. It helps other drivers stay alert and cautious. Did I miss something? Remind others in the comments, like always monitor fluid levels, engine oil, coolant, brake fluid. Keep your vehicle in order. It's your survival on wheels. Always be ready. After this, my walk in the forest. I added it because YouTube prefers longer videos and shares them more. Stay with me a bit longer and just reflect on everything you've just heard. You need to have a plan. Support this project. If this information was helpful and you'd like to say thank you, here are a few ways to do it. Subscribe to the channel, share this video with friends,